Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami tray. You can use it to put small things in it, like candy or stationery or whatever you want. If you want a bigger or a longer tray, you can use a rectangular sheet of paper. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're going to start with the origami paper, color face up, and we'll fold it in half vertically, crease, unfold, and then fold again vertically to the crease in the center. And then we're going to fold the other side as well. Next, we're going to bring this side, this line here, and do the same on the other side. And now we unfold this. Next, we're going to fold all the corners at the top and at the bottom as well. It looks like this. And now we're gonna fold the corners one more time. It looks like this. Now we're gonna bring this flap outwards, like this, and the other one too. And then we turn the model over, and we're gonna fold the top just a little bit, and the bottom as well. Okay, turn it over again. And now we'll open the sides. And it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you found our video interesting. And if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please also take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!